To make phone calls using Huawei Watch Fit 4, first of all, you'll have to go into the Huawei Health application, and from here, go for the devices and go into your Huawei Watch Fit 4. From here, you have to scroll down and go into the favorites, and from here, you have to add your contacts to favorites, any contacts that you'd like to recently call using this smartwatch, because you cannot call with other way. You will have to use the contacts on your smartwatch, and to use contacts on your smartwatch you have to add them to favorites right here. But let's say I have this contact right here. So now to make a phone call using our smartwatch, we'll have to go into the contacts application on our smartwatch, and from here simply select any contact that you want to call. So let's tap on this one, and as you can see, this watch now begins to call and forwards this call to our phone. And that's how it basically works. So that's how you can make phone calls using the Huawei Watch Fit 4.